Hey, it's Jon and Toria from Q102. We settled on our floor plan, settled on the home site.
Yep, and we visited the preview hours at the Design Center, and I've got my Pinterest page up, ready to go. Now we're rolling in the Design Center to meet our design coordinator right now.
Hi! Hi, how are you guys doing? I'm Christy.
Good, Toria.
Hi, Jon, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Come on, let's get started.
All right.
So we're gonna go through your prints first and kind of confirm all the structure features you guys did at the time of contract when you guys toured the model. And then we'll go through and talk about like your lighting options and placement, talk about phone and cable, electrical, and then we'll do all of your interior, exterior colors.
Awesome.
So we'll start with our cabinets and our floors and countertops. Have you been on Pinterest or anything, kind of checking in
I got
inspiration?
Pinterest and I got stuff off Fischer's website.
Oh, fantastic. Well, let's go take a look. These are your options to choose from. Now, we do have the option for stained cabinets, and then down at the other end, you'll see the option for painted cabinets. So the owl is probably close to what your Pinterest page was showing.
Ooh, you like.
So now that we have our cabinet combination, let's start looking at our countertops. So we have a variety of different granites.
So something kind of like this.
Look at that. Oh, that's pretty.
That is really pretty. I like that together.
John,
What do you guys think of this option together?
Ooh,
that's an option.
that's pretty
Oh, yeah?
too. I like that. It's like totally
Yeah.
opposite too. I like that. I love this one.
That one? All
Yeah,
right.
love
That'll look
that.
great with the cabinets that we have.
What do you think of this one?
I like that too.
Really pretty with the wood stain.
I really like this texture and color of this one here.
Okay.
Yeah. I just think it's simple, but you can paint the walls whatever color and it still goes.
What about this one?
Ooh, a little bit more brown.
Has like a little two-tone fleck in there, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty. You like one better than the other, white gloss or Arctic white gloss?
Is there different?
Yes. I really like the gloss. I feel like it's so bright.
Yeah, and you'll have those under cabinet lights, so it's going to add additional light.
Yeah.
You guys think of that?
Ooh, that's pretty. With your cabinet and countertop.
Yes.
I like that. So I really like this darker brick with like kind of neutral colors with it and a plum door. I just think it adds like a little pop.
Well, here you have brick that's already weathered, so we have
Weathered.
weathered.
What a great term.
The weather affects it, then we have that, and then we also have a black door that.
Oh, I like the black door.
Both are great combinations. Both look fantastic together. I do have pictures. I can kind of go through and show you these up on houses. Kind of give you a better view of them overall.
Awesome.
Kind of makes
I'd love that.
Tori,
What's up?
look at this shower head. This thing's a. What do you think of this? Like, it's
John.
opposable. It like.
That's a kitchen faucet.
Are you serious?
Yes, I've never been so serious in my life.
You guys have done fantastic.
I was pretty overwhelmed walking
Yeah.
in, but it was not bad at all.
Yeah.
I had a blast actually.
We made our selections way easier than we thought it was
Yes.
gonna be, and now I'm ready to dig my man cave.
Yes, can't wait to get to the home side and do some mudslinging.